Hello, welcome to this class. Good. Last time we learned perimeter of plane shapes and we noticed that perimeter of plane shape is a very simple concept to get to learn. Remember that a perimeter simply means the distance around a shape. And to find the perimeter of shape, we simply add the whole sides of these shapes together, which we looked at how to find the perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of pentagon, and irregular shapes, meaning shapes that we cannot actually call their names. Okay? Today, we are moving to another topic, areas of plane shape. We are trying to look at the calculation that involves plane shape. So we are concerning ourselves, for now, in two-dimensional shapes. So the calculation that involves two-dimensional shape is all perimeter of the shape and how to calculate the area of the shape. Perimeter deals with addition, area now deals with multiplication. So we'll be looking at how to find the perimeter of certain shapes, just three shapes: square, rectangle, and triangle. Okay? They have formulas, and we are going to learn the formulas to do that. We just know that the area is the space occupied by the shape. An area is a space occupied by a shape, or object. An area is the space. If I place this book on this board, now the space this book occupied on this board is known as the area of the book. This shape, this part of this board, this shape that this book occupied is known as the area of the book. Now, having said that, let's look at some of the formulas that involves in calculating the areas of rectangle, the areas of square, and the areas of triangle. Now, let's look at this. Given a rectangle, remember that here can be our length and here can be our width of this rectangle. Okay? Remember, this is a rectangle. To find the area, that's the space occupied by this rectangle, we simply say that area equal to length times width. We use the length here to multiply the width here to find the area. As simple as that. It has finished. It has finished. Simply use the length to multiply the width. You find it. B, suppose this is a square. If this is a square, we know that the sides of a square are equal. So this is length, this is length, this is length, this is length. Okay? Now, to find the area of a square, we simply do this place times this place. So we can call it length times length. If you like, we can call this width. Anyone will want to call it. Okay? Now, if this is a triangle, let's say this is a triangle. Now, we know that this place is the height of this triangle, where this place is the base of the triangle. Right? To find the area of this triangle, what we simply do is, we find, if you watch, this side looks as if it's dividing the base into two equal parts, right? So we get the half of this base, we multiply the height to give us the area of the triangle. So here, area will now be equal to half base times times height. So these are the formulas used in finding the area of rectangle, square, or triangle. Okay? Let's solve some examples. Examples. Find the area of the shapes below. Number one. Say this is a rectangle. Let's say here is 5 centimeter, here is 7 centimeter. Okay? You notice at this point that this is a rectangle that has this side to be 5 centimeter length and 7 centimeter width. Solution. We write out our formula. What is the formula for finding the area of a rectangle? Length times width. Now say that area of rectangle equals length times width. What is our length? 5 centimeter. What is our width? 7 centimeter. 5 times 7, 35. So our answer becomes 35 centimeter square. See how simple it is? This is how simple it is. Simply use this place times this place to get your answer. And that's just it. Okay. Okay, let's solve another example. Let me clean here. So let's say here example 2. Here we have, let this be a square. Let's say this part of the square is 3 meters, meaning that here will be 3 meters, here will be 3 meters, here will be 3 meters. So solution. What's the formula? Area of square equals length times length. And what are the lengths? 3 meters times 3 meters. 3 times 3, 9 meter square. Difficult? No, it's not. Simply apply the given formula. Okay, let's look at number 3. Let's say here we have a triangle. Now the height of the triangle is 7 meters, while the base is 14 meters. Now, solution. To solve this, we know that the formula for area of a triangle equals what? Half base times height. Okay? Now, since this is the formula for finding the area of a triangle, first of all, what is base? Base is this place of the triangle. This is the base of the triangle. So the base here is 14 centimeters. Isn't it centimeter, no meters? Now, what is half of the base? Half of base, you know what is half of 14? It's something as saying 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Right? So we've gotten half of the base. We can now say that therefore, area is now equal to 7 meters times 7 meters. Where is this 7 coming from? Height. Because this is half base, or this is 7, which we've solved here. What is height? 7. This is the height of the triangle. And 7 times 7 is what? 49 meters square. So this is how to simply calculate the area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of square. It's as simple as that. Every other thing we do is solving the same thing. Okay? So I'll be sending you simple shapes that has to do with rectangle, square, and triangle. You will use this same approach to write out the formula and multiply. Then we'll see on Saturday. Okay? I'll see you. Remember to watch the video, watch it again, and solve the given assignment in order to make it easier and easier. Alright? So I'll see you in our next class. Bye.